In a previous video, we suggested several of the hottest trending Facebook Marketplace categories in order to help you determine which dropshipping items to list in the month of September, with recommendations and best-selling product ideas to keep your profit margins high when dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. Since then, we've discovered even more items to share, so in this video, we'll dive into the 5 additional product ideas you should consider adding to your Facebook dropshipping inventory in the month of September. And if you need even more product ideas, make sure you stay until the very end of this video where I'll show you how to find unlimited dropshipping products with the push of a button. Also, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to the FBMP Dropshipping channel. After that, drop us a line in the comments below and let us know which items you think sell best during the fall and autumn months. Okay, here are 5 more September items you should add to your Facebook Marketplace inventory to increase your profit margins and overall sales. Ideal for hunters and outdoorsmen who rely on remaining undetected when out in the woods, these pop-up camouflage hunting blinds are portable and easy to assemble, perfect for staying unseen and virtually invisible when out in the elements. Typically large enough for 2 or 3 people, these tents offer a wide range of vision from within and are made from materials durable enough to withstand any weather. There's nothing quite as stressful as being miles away from the nearest power outlet while the battery on your phone or tablet slowly starts to die. Fortunately, these portable, fast-charging power banks are available for any device, no matter what size or capacity requirement your customers may have. Offered with a wide range of styles and features, make sure to list a variety of design options to attract Facebook buyers. Available in a wide array of funny memes and other artistic designs for the purpose of adding a touch of flair to any boring office or workspace, these novelty mousepads make unique gifts and should be listed as more of an impulse buy item in order to catch the eye of online shoppers who will ultimately browse your Facebook shop catalog and purchase other items listed in your marketplace inventory. Owners of long-haired pets will agree that frequent brushing is the best way to avoid nasty mats and tangles while also eliminating excess hair that can accumulate on furniture and floors. When adding new items to your dropshipping inventory, consider listing several pet combs and brushes with products that include self-cleaning features, orbital spinning designs, as well as undercoat rakes for removing more serious knots and tangles. These clever wedge pillows are designed to gently incline the upper body when sleeping to eliminate shoulder and neck soreness, minimize snoring, and are also useful for elevating the feet in order to reduce pain in the lower back and legs. Made from memory foam materials, these pillow wedges are firm yet conform easily to contours and typically include a machine washable cover for easy to clean care and maintenance. So here are 5 more product ideas to include in your Facebook dropshipping inventory for the month of September. Product links are listed in the description below, and also as promised, if you'd like a way to find unlimited dropshipping items on your own anytime with the push of a button, make sure to visit the link in the description below to try the FBMFOX product research feature absolutely free. With a complete arsenal of features, this all-in-one Chrome extension is literally the only tool you'll ever need to achieve success dropshipping on Facebook. So out of these 5 items, which do you think has the most profit potential? Let us know in the comments below. And for even more tips and product ideas, make sure to check out these other videos from Facebook Marketplace Dropshipping.